friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am bringing you a quick video on how I have styled my table for winter. You guys know I love black and white. Those are my signature colors, and I wanted to keep my table simple for winter. So it is not fully dressed. It is just lightly styled. So I love these pedestal bowls. If you missed my last video, or I think it was the video before that, I did a DIY where I showed you how I made these bowls that were inspired by Project 61. That one bowl from Target was $30, and I was able to recreate the look for less for $30 for all three. Actually, it was a little less. It's like $28. So I absolutely love this look. If you are interested in how I created my Target inspired bowls, I will leave a link for that video down below. It is very simple and easy, and I think they look so much more expensive than they actually were. So I'm using them to style my winter tablescape. Again, I want to keep it very modern and simple. So I am using a fur table runner that I picked up. Oh gosh, I don't even remember. It might have been Z Gallery several years ago, but I absolutely love it. It gives me the look and feel of winter, and I just love the texture. I used this last year on my winter tablescape, and so why change up a good thing if you like what you already have? So I'm just using it again, and I think it looks so much more elevated with our DIY pedestal bowls. I absolutely love them. And so I just have them styled simply with some pine cones that I've had for years. I was actually thinking about painting them black because you guys know I love black and white. Leave me a comment down below. How do you think these pine cones would look spray painted black? I think they would pop in the bowls. But I do also love the modern natural texture of the pine cones as they are. So leave me a comment down below. Would you paint them, spray paint them black, or leave them in their natural state? So I hope you have enjoyed today's quick little video on how I have styled my table for winter. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a comment down below and give the video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube know that you are liking my channel content, and they will push it out to more viewers. To all of my faithful friends and family members, thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for all your support. And all of my new friends, hello and welcome. If you love DIYs and making your home look a lot more expensive than it really is, then this is the channel for you. I have decorated my home with style on a budget, spending a lot less than what you might have thought. So if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. And if you love these bowls, make sure you go check out that video. It is a very simple and easy DIY. So that's all I have for you today, my friends, and I hope to see you in the next one.